Hey everyone, today we're checking out our new submersible battery-powered water pump. This kit will come with everything that you need to get started. A utility pump, the battery control unit, connecting hose that's 7.2 feet long, and it has a hose guide and quick connector, tank attachment, wall attachment, 18 volt 4.0 AH battery, charger, and 2 adapters. This is going to be a great kit to go ahead and get started. This innovative 18 volt 4.0 AH battery powered pump can drain water directly from the water butt without a power cable, catering to your resource saving garden watering needs. The compact pump is only 3.3 inches by 7.1 inches and it weighs just 1.5 pounds. The 90 watt motor will create a max flow rate of 530 gallons per hour, and it delivers water up to 65.5 feet. This will secure quick water extraction, and the 3/4 inch outlet will easily connect to sprinklers, sprayers, and standard garden hoses for versatile usage. This rain barrel pump will provide a water pressure of up to 2 bar, and it can be submerged in water up to 6 feet deep. It even has an awesome timer function with 3 settings: 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes. The battery compartment is also going to be protected by a cover to help prevent damage from any water. Press the control panel button to start and stop the pump. The minimum water level to start working is around 6 inches, and it can drain water down to 1 inch. It has a built-in thermal overload protection that will prevent overheating damage, ensure safe operation, as well as a long service life. As you can see, it's extremely easy to use. You can mount the pump on a wall or on the tank, thanks to the included wall and tank attachments. The curved hose guide can also be easily attached to the barrel edge and positioned as required. The removable strainer base will serve to prevent clogs and enhance stability. As you can see here, we're testing this out on a small bucket and it works amazing. This is going to be a great addition for all of your water pumping needs, or it can be a great gift for anyone in your family as well.